This week we read Parshat Ki Tavo, which begins with the mitzvah of Bikurim, the first fruit. And the Midrash says that the world was created on account of the first fruit. A very strange statement, considering that it doesn't seem like our most important mitzvah. But really, when bringing the first fruit, it was an admission of gratitude, of thanksgiving to Hashem for giving us produce and for taking care of us. After all, it's not we who are successful in business. It's Hashem who gives us a gift. And when the farmer produces fruit, it's a gift from God, as is everything we have. We are Jews, and the word Jew comes from the Hebrew word Yehudi. And Yehudi comes from the name Yehudah, who was named by Leah, her fourth son, because she said, "This time I will thank Hashem. Hapam odeh et Hashem." Therefore she called him Yehudah. Therefore we are called Jews. We are the people who say thank you. The world was created for us to say thank you. The world was created for us to gain God's gifts and to gain His bounty and to appreciate from where it comes, to appreciate the source of our blessing, and that's Hashem. Bikurim is the most important mitzvah because Bikurim teaches us how to say thank you. Have a great week.